Since 1988, Midwest Optical Systems has been a leader in designing and manufacturing optical filters and accessories specifically for industrial imaging applications. With over 3,000 state-of-the-art machine vision products available, we are proud to offer the largest selection of bandpass, long pass, short pass, and polarizing filters in the industry. Our machine vision filters are designed to match the output of the most common types of industrial LED lights, and most of our filters come standard with stable edge technology. Our proprietary solution that minimizes susceptibility to angular shifting effects when placed in front of short focal length camera lenses. This innovative feature is becoming increasingly important as machine vision inspection systems continue to evolve into more compact designs. At MidOpt, our commitment to exceptional performance, superior quality, extensive in-stock product availability, and short lead times for custom parts have positioned us as a global leader in the field of machine vision optical filters. Our diverse range of substrates, optical coatings, shapes, and sizes allows us to design filters suitable for any application, environment, or wavelength range. In addition to our comprehensive filter offerings, we also specialize in protective windows and enclosures. As a growing U.S. company headquartered near Chicago, Illinois, with manufacturing facilities in Wisconsin and Singapore, our products can be found in over 30 countries worldwide. To learn more about our full range of machine vision filters and industrial imaging solutions, contact one of our vision specialists. Or to locate a distributor in your area, just visit midopt.com.